Project management trends to watch in 2025 and beyond. As we look towards 2025 and beyond, it's important to keep an eye on emerging trends that will shape the future of project management. Project management innovations. One of the most exciting trends in project management is the continued development of innovative technologies. From artificial intelligence to blockchain, these technologies are revolutionizing the way projects are managed. Project management technologies and tools. The tools and technologies used in project management are also evolving rapidly. From virtual reality simulations to cloud-based project management platforms, project managers have more resources at their disposal than ever before. The future of project management. With the rise of digital project management and the increasing importance of data analytics, project managers must adapt to new ways of working. Cutting-edge project management methodologies. From design thinking to lean project management, these cutting-edge approaches are redefining how projects are planned and executed. Revolutionary project management technologies. From robotic process automation to predictive analytics, these technologies are streamlining processes, reducing costs, and improving outcomes. Conclusion. By keeping an eye on emerging trends, embracing new technologies and methodologies, and staying informed about the latest insights, project managers can position themselves for success in 2025 and beyond.